Hello! Today's lesson is going to be about adjectives that compare, and particularly adjectives that compare using ER and EST. All right, we're going to start with just a little example here using a circle. All right, we're going to say this circle is big. All right, that's just one circle, and this circle is big. When we compare two nouns, so in this case, two circles, this circle is big and this circle is bigger. We use ER on this one because we are comparing two circles, okay? If we then add a third circle to this, once we begin comparing three or more things, we use EST. So we have big, bigger for two, and biggest for three. All right, so that's how that works. The ER is when you are comparing two nouns, and you use EST if you are comparing three nouns or four or five or any more than three. Okay? All right, so I have a little anchor chart back here that we are going to fill out. And we have a review up here that our ER compares to people, places, or things, so two nouns. EST compares three or more nouns or people, places, and things. All right? I have the chart set up because depending on the word, sometimes we have spelling changes. So we're going to go through an example of each one of those spelling changes. Okay? All right, so the first word that we have is warm. That is the first adjective. All right. When we compare two, well, let's say it was a warm day. All right. We are just saying that one day was warm. If we compare 2 days, we would say today is warmer than yesterday. There is no change on this word to our original word. So we are going to write our original word, warm, and we will just add an ER. Today is warmer than yesterday. We're comparing 2 days, yesterday and today. All right. Now when we move over here, if we're comparing 3 or more nouns, we could say today is the warmest day of the week, okay? And if we say that, we are comparing today to all of the other days of the week. So that would be 3 or more. Now again, the word warm, we don't have a spelling change here when we add an ending, so we're going to have warmest. Today is the warmest day of the week. Okay? This next part, the next spelling change is when you drop your final E. When you have your vowel consonant E words and you add ER or EST, since there is an E that begins those suffixes, you will drop the original E on the word. So, rare, when you start to do your ER, you drop this E and add ER. Okay? And then when you get to rarest, you drop the first E and add EST. Because if you don't, friends, your word would be rarer and rarest, and those aren't words, all right? So we drop this final E if it's vowel consonant E, all right? The next set of words, if you have a word that ends in Y, you are going to change the Y to I and add ER, or change the Y to I and add EST. Okay, so for example, this taco is spicy. All right, that's one taco that we are saying is spicy. if we say this taco is spicier than the other one, we're comparing this taco with one other taco. We're going to change the Y to I. Change the Y to I and add ER because we are comparing two tacos. All right. What if I say this taco is the spiciest taco I've ever eaten? That means you're comparing this taco to all of the tacos that you've eaten in your whole life. That's probably 3 or more, right? The spelling change is the same. You change the Y to an I, but now you will add EST. This is the spiciest taco I've ever had. All right? The last spelling rule for adding ER and EST is when you double your final consonant. Now, most of the time, this is going to happen when you have a one-syllable word that has a short vowel, okay? So on this, we will say, it is hot today. We'll go back to our days like we did warmer. It is hot today, all right? Yesterday was hotter than today. We're comparing yesterday and today, so that's two things. So we use our ER. We need to double our consonant and then add ER. Okay? Over here, to compare 3 or more nouns, today is the hottest day of the week. We're comparing today to all of the other days of the week. So that's 3 or more things we're comparing. So once again, we take our original word hot, and since it is a short vowel, closed syllable, we double that consonant and add EST. Okay? All right, so that is just a short lesson for you on adjectives that compare using ER and EST. And I hope that this was helpful, and I hope you all have a great day. See you soon.